The 67th National Film Awards was held today at Bigyan Bhavan after keeping it in abeyance for some time due to the pandemic. In this edition, Eigi Kona, Stalin My Pony, has been conferred on the Rajat Kamal for the Best Regional Manipuri Feature Film. The film is produced by K. Sushila and directed by Maipaksana Harangbam and Bobby Wahengbam. K. Sushila and Maipaksana received the prestigious awards from the Vice President of India. The film had earlier made itself strongly felt in the reputed festivals such as Indian Panorama, 51st IFFI Goa, 4th OIFFA Canada, Indica Film Utsav 2020 and Thrissur International Film Festival 2021, among others. The film is an indexical of the sorry state of ponies and polo players in the birthplace of polo. Maintaining the notion of realism, the film tells the story of Thawai, a young promising polo player, and his hand-to-mouth family where immense poverty makes him bear the brunt and pangs of separation from his pony, a family lineage. But he is the hope for future generation to rejuvenate the pride of playing polo. At the end of the day, love for polo and pony prevails over poverty and business where all sacrifice for the promotion and future of polo. Shaolin impressively tailors the boy. Prafulo gives a performance of a lifetime where noted actors including Tonthoy, Shanti, Jasmine, Firoj, Ramesh Devin, child actor Berlin, polo player Mohindro contribute immensely, standing tall as a strong pedestal.